Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV's engine oil. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil, typically 0W20 synthetic, and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands after lifting your vehicle with a floor jack. This ensures a stable and secure workspace for your maintenance. Now, let's get that old oil out. First, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually a 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the dark, old oil to flow completely into the pan. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the contaminants are removed from your engine system. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, pour 4 to 5 quarts of the recommended engine oil into the fill cap. Almost done, replace the oil fill cap and securely tighten the drain plug. Lower your vehicle, then start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds. This circulates the new oil and builds pressure. Carefully check for any leaks around the new filter and the drain plug. Finally, turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.